Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. And in today's video, I'm tackling that pantry. So if you want to see how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. And they finished painting the walls in here and they painted the door. So today I'm going to put in my shelf liner. Let me show you what the shelf liner looks like. It's a marble. Let me get it better. It's a marble print that I got at Walmart. Now, the reason why I'm doing marble in here is because some of the items in the kitchen are going to have marble on them. Yep. So, I thought I'd do the pantry in marble. Now, the only thing I hate is that they didn't paint the shelves, but that's okay. I'm going to do the marble on here, and then I am going to get some paint and paint this strip here to match the color of the walls. See, the walls were painted white, and that's what I wanted, but I thought they were going to paint the shelves, but they only painted walls. So as soon as I get started with this, we'll line the shelves and start putting the pantry together. Now, I didn't film me putting the paper in. Everyone's seen you put paper in, but I put it in, and I'm telling you, it kicked my butt. But I did get all the shelves lined. Some of them ain't cut correctly, like that one up above. But hey, your girl got it done, got the liner in, and it looks great. Next, we have to take everything you see out here, just about on all these countertops, goes in that pantry. So now my job is to make it fit in where it can get in. So if you want to see how that goes, girl, here we go. Ooh, child, that's a lot of stuff to try to figure out how to make it fit inside this pantry. But hey, I got to get it in there. Now, of course, you know I'm using copper baskets. Those copper baskets were purchased at Walmart a while back. I tried to put the breakfast Pop-Tarts and the toaster coast together for my husband. Up here, I normally keep my meal for my shrimp and fish and pancake batter up in those containers. On this shelf here, I have the apples, but I'm going to put something else up in there in that spot. I don't use very many canned goods, so they're down there at the bottom, on the bottom row. And in the baskets, you know, the condiments, the snacks, the things like that are in the baskets. I try to keep those as organized as I can. Up here, of course, the cereal, dried beans, the cookie jar, pasta. I try to keep all that in those containers, and there's a big bag of beans because I'm out of room in one of the containers. Here I keep, you know, the snacks, the condiments, and all different kind of things, rices and syrups and all that wonderful stuff that we do keep to put in the pantry. Sorry about the finger. Saw something out of order. Had to move it. But that's the breakfast bin where I keep the oatmeal and grits and stuff in. I keep the foil paper and things down below. And as you see, cornbread mix, so forth, so on, seasoning packets. I try to keep it very simple in here for me. Back here in the corner, I keep that out of touch for the grandbaby, so they will not get that. And here are some more beans in the little containers that I keep here. Down low, I have the bigger air fryer. The other air fryer that I have is on the counter. And I'm going to put the, what is that? The pressure cooker will be down there. I keep all my paper goods in that basket, easy reach when I have guests over, you know, when family comes over and there's a lot of food. But I try to keep the pantry organized in a way that's easy for me to reach. But you know how we do. We'll work it till it works for us and becomes easier, so new things to come. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.